Okay, so in this video, I just wanted to cover what type of ads we're going to be using for this. So there's a couple different types that are available on Facebook. We've already done the photo post on a page, and then we've used the objective of boosting the post, or what's called page post engagement on Facebook. So the next one that we're going to be using is called a website conversion ad. That's the objective, and I wanted to show you where it shows up on Facebook. So I found this little image on just a quick Google image search, but this is Facebook. So that's your header there, your left side column. When you're looking at your profile or your newsfeed, this one is called a desktop newsfeed ad. Okay, and that's where it's placed right in the middle. It's pretty big, and it looks like any other newsfeed story that would come up. The other type is called a right column or right side ad, and that shows up on the right side of your news feed. So when you log into Facebook, this is your news feed, this is your right column, so your ad will show here. Now, the big one, well, the one where you will find that pretty much the lion's share of the traffic is going to come from, is the mobile news feed. And this is what it looks like on the phone. So when you're on Facebook on your phone, the ad shows up as like a full screen. There's no columns here or columns here like you do. This is a desktop computer screen. This is a mobile phone. So this type of ad is what we're going to run too. But what we're going to do is we're going to split up our ads. So we're going to have one that's running on the desktop only, and we're going to have one that's running on the right column only. Then we're going to have one that's running on the mobile side only. And then we'll use various types of targeting or audiences to show these ads to. Okay, so I just wanted to make that clear what we're doing. The last thing is, we are not showing our ad on our Facebook page. Okay, it's what's called a dark post or unpublished post. So with Facebook, you always have to have kind of like a base page in order to show ads. So we can create ads through the Power Editor, which you're going to learn how to do. I'm going to show you. You're going to watch me do it. And they will not show up on your Facebook page, but they will still be advertised to everybody that you target. Okay, and they will show up in these spots on Facebook. So I just wanted to do this quick video to show you kind of what ad type we're going to use and to show you where it's going to show, because it can get very confusing when you haven't done it before. And if you don't know the terminology, then it's difficult to do. The other thing is our ads, when you actually click these ones, so this is an image here that they're kind of this circle and triangle part, same here and same here. When you click them, it actually goes right through to Gear Bubble in our case. Whereas the ones that we did before, the test ads, when they click the photograph, it just expands to a bigger photograph window with the comment section on the right side. It doesn't actually go anywhere. So that's why these are called link ads, and the other ones that we did for testing are called photo ads. Okay, so there's two different types there too. But I hope that clears it up. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. This will make sense later when we get into actually launching these campaigns on Facebook. But I wanted to do it just to give you a heads up of where things are going to show up so that you can wrap your head around it a little bit better.